Hello, Greenville High School parents. I'm Kim Steele. I am the other art teacher. I teach studio art, I teach ceramics and sculpture. This year we have a lot going on and some great stuff happening. As we do every year, we cover the New York State Standards of Learning Arts, which is great because they just revamped them about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And through that, the students learn about the elements of art and principles of design and everything that kind of blends together and weaves together to make their artwork. Currently, they're scaffolding basic lessons in studio art in order to build into larger projects. Sculpture's in the same boat where they start out kind of smaller and they work their way into bigger projects, as well as ceramics where they're getting to know the clay before they can build on larger things. I'm looking forward to a great year. If you have any questions or any concerns from, what's going on academically or, the needs of supplies, please reach out. Phone call, email, I'll set up a Google Meet, whatever you want to do. And I'm looking for a great year. Bye.